Thanks to TrainND's ASCENT Unmanned Aerial Systems program, we're able to follow the transformation of Williston State College's turf project like never before. Our UAS pilots are skilled professionals trained to document progress and ensure precision. With advanced training in visual line of sight and beyond visual line of sight operations, our pilots provide crucial insights for large-scale projects. All through the lens of high-tech drones, we will be able to follow this project from start to finish as it transforms into a state-of-the-art facility. Join TrainND's ASCENT UAS program and become part of the future of drone technology.